line, so this stuff goes down a lot faster, and it also has glue in it. You can see how fast this goes down, and I'm not crimping this on any wire. So we're going to try to pull this off. You can see how low that goes down right here, and how it seals, and it has glue inside. Okay, this is the piece that we shrank down with the CPA thin line shrink tubing with the glue. We did not crimp this copper lug on anything, but SJ is going to try to pull this apart. Okay, pull it out.
I think you need to be in the world's strongest man competition to pull this out.
Wow, that's not cool.